Fertilizing appropriately is one of the 9 principles of a Florida-friendly landscape.
Proper plant nutrition leads to those beautiful, healthy landscape plants that we desire.
Dr. Bryan Unruh from the University of Florida shares the importance nutrients plays in our landscape.
Just like we need proper nutrition to be healthy and live a vibrant life, plants also need proper nutrition. And that nutrition for plants comes from a lot of different sources, fertilizing being one of them. So we think about if there's organic matter in the soil, many nutrients can come from that organic matter. When it rains, rain oftentimes brings nutrients with it as well. When we apply fertilizer to the landscape, very quickly that fertilizer will start to dissolve within the water that's in the soil, and then the nutrients are taken up through the root system up into the plant to then meet the needs of the growing plant. In the urban landscape, I think one of the biggest misconceptions about fertilization is that it has to be fertilized. In many of our landscapes, especially as they age, the soils may provide adequate nutrition for the plant that is growing, in which case fertilizer would not be needed. So one of the things we do at the University of Florida is test the performance of various fertilizers, how well they do for growing the plant, but then also looking at environmental impact. And so do those nutrients, nitrogen and phosphorus in particular, do they leach through the soil and end up in our groundwater? It's very important that we put the right amount of fertilizer at the right time so that the plant uses it efficiently and we minimize environmental impact. Proper plant nutrition leads to healthy plants, healthy environment. Improper plant nutrition can lead to unhealthy plants and negative environmental impacts. The best thing a homeowner can do is to get educated. The University of Florida IFAS Extension has tremendous resources available through the Florida Friendly Landscaping Program that will train you or educate you as to what is needed.